Nice October sail with my friends Kirill and Natalia. And we are now on the west side of Aylmer Island, so we're coming into the little narrow passage on the river that goes up towards Pinney's Point, dead ahead, and Moore Island. And you can see on the right hand side here there's beautiful the escarpment, the Gatineau Park escarpment with colors, fall colors. I would say the colors are almost at their peak. Beautiful October morning, Thanksgiving weekend 2019. And there's Woodpecker. They had to reduce sail because they were too fast for me and we wanted to sail in company. So there you go. That's how it is. We're doing, let's see, check on the GPS here. We're doing 4.6, 4.4. Not too bad. Considering we're on a broad reach, which is not this boat's best point of sail, but those mountains there are just superb. Let me just that's just beautiful. Filming you, filming me.